Write a Java program that implements runtime polymorphism. Before going to this one, first of all, what is the meaning of the polymorphism? Polymorphism is that word the many forms. Many forms. Poly means many, morphism means forms. Means we are having the same method with different body. In runtime polymorphism, a method called to an override method is resolved at the compile time. In this point of view, the method can be called to and override the method is resolved at the runtime. During the program execution time only, which method can be invoked? Here actually the parent class contains, this is the parent class, the parent class contains one method. The same method is available in the child class also. Which method can be invoked? Whether we have to invoke the parent class method or the child class method here. That concept is called as the runtime polymorphism. Means runtime is nothing but during the execution time. During the program execution time, which method we have to invoke? That is called as runtime polymorphism. It is also called as the dynamic method dispatch. Here actually it is not done at the compile time. During the compile time, if we are identifying the method here, at that time it is called as the static polymorphism, compile time polymorphism. But it is not identified the compile time. During the execution time only we can identify. That's why this is called as a runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch. It works with the method overriding. The method gets executed depends upon the object being referred to, not the reference type. It is not depending on the reference type, which object it is being to referring to that can be executed. Right. Come to the code here. Class animal. The parent class name is animal. It contains one method, void sound. System.out.println animal makes sound. The parent class name is animal. It is having a method sound method. Whenever we are invoking this method, we will get the answer as a animal makes sound. Class dog extends animal. This is the child class dog extending the animal class. From the animal class, we are creating the a child class. This is the animal class. From this animal class, we are creating the child class. The child class name is the dog here. This is the child class. This is the dog. This is the dog here. The dog contains one method, void sound. Observe this one here. The sound is already available in the animal class also. We wrote the same method within the dog class also. System.out.println dog barks here. We are overriding the parent class method within the child class here. Class cat extends animal. We are creating the one more class for this animal class. That class name is the cat. That class name is the cat. Means from the animal class we are creating the from the animal class we are creating the two child classes. The first child class name is dog. The second child class name is the cat here. The second child class name is the cat. Dog as well as the cat. And this is the main class. This main class name is the animal. This main class name is the animal. Animal. From the animal class we are having the dog as well as the cat here. Observe this one, all these three classes contains the same method, that is the sound method. Public class runtime polymorphism. Public static void main string args animal a. For this animal class, we are creating the object. The object name is the a here. The object name is the a. A equals new dog. Now the a will point to the dog class. A is a reference. This reference is pointed to the object of dog class. A dot sound. This will be executed. System.out.println dog box. That will be displayed. Dog box will be displayed. For this same reference, a equals to new cat. Now the a will point to the cat class. A dot sound. What the sound method contains the system.out.println cat mouse. Means depending upon the object. Depending upon the object, the corresponding method can be executed. This is called as a runtime polymorphism. Just we are creating only reference only. Whatever the object we are attaching for this reference, If we are attaching the for the A, if we are attaching the dog class, then it is invoking this sound method. Whenever we are attaching the for this A cat class, then this sound will be executed depending upon the object being referred. Then the corresponding method will be executed. This concept is called as the runtime polymorphism. It is also called as the dynamic method dispatch.